Cracks, leaks, and erosion were all early indicators of potential failure. But without a system in place to accurately interpret these signs, they were overlooked. This is where the power of predictive maintenance could have come into play. If employed, techniques such as AI and machine learning could have analyzed data from various sensors installed on the dam, identifying patterns and anomalies. These technologies could have predicted the dam's weaknesses and the likelihood of a spillway failure, even under extreme weather conditions. Predictive maintenance isn't just about predicting failure, it's about preventing it. In the case of the Oroville Dam, it could have meant identifying the need for repairs or upgrades before disaster struck. It could have saved the state of California nearly $200 billion in repair and recovery efforts, not to mention the immeasurable stress and disruption to the lives of those who were evacuated. The Oroville Dam crisis is a powerful reminder of the catastrophic consequences of neglecting predictive maintenance. So, what can we learn from the Oroville Dam crisis about the value of predictive maintenance? Well, we've seen firsthand how a failure to predict and prevent can lead to disastrous results. Predictive maintenance, however, offers a proactive approach to infrastructure management. It allows us to anticipate problems before they escalate, ensuring the safety of communities and the longevity of our infrastructure. Now, let's talk money. Reactive maintenance can be costly, both in terms of finances and time. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, minimizes these costs by identifying potential issues early on. But how do we make predictive maintenance even better? Enter artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies enhance predictive maintenance, making it more efficient and reliable. They analyze data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights, revolutionizing the way we approach infrastructure maintenance. Predictive maintenance powered by AI is more than just a cost-saving strategy. It's a lifesaver in the world of infrastructure.